Hello, this is Open Books and welcome to another video. Just before we start, we have a quick word from our sponsor. Be sure to check them out, link in the description. Also use code 20OFF for an extra 20% off. Alright, today we'll be reviewing this Samsung 27-inch curved LED monitor. This has been on my mind for quite a while as I've been wanting a monitor, and I was looking around and I really wanted a curved monitor. But I was thinking about getting an ultra wide. However, this has been quite good. Alright, so just in the box you can see it has the stand, which actually looks different to the square stands. I actually really like this one because it looks nice on my desk, and it's also very easy to install. You can also remove it, as this monitor is also wall mountable, which I will do in the future if I think about getting two monitors. So here's just the, I'm pretty sure that's the power outlet. Oh, that's for Europe, and I'm in the UK, so my one is actually right there on the right. So here it is. It plugs into a brick, which then goes into a, I'm pretty sure, a DC cable which goes into the monitor. Alright, so finally let's see the monitor. Okay, here it is. So it didn't take really long to install, just a really simple, just put it in and then screw it from the bottom. It just quite easy to do, not really hard. So this monitor has a response time of 4 milliseconds. I know not optimal for gaming, however it isn't that bad. It's not even bad, it's pretty good. Personally, I don't use it for gaming. Sometimes I do, but not really. I use it for editing and really just YouTube or Netflix if I want to, and it's pretty nice. I thought it wouldn't be as wide as it is, but it's got a resolution of 1920 by 1080p, and it's not really worth getting an ultra wide compared to this, because this is pretty wide, unless you're getting a 49-inch ultra wide, which is pretty wide compared to this. So I do not actually have a really large desk, and it really is perfect for this. It just doesn't take up as much space. Also is quite enough room for my keyboard and mouse. Alright, so here it is. You can actually see the curve from where you are. It is quite curved from the side, but not the biggest difference when you look at it from the front. It's just a bit nicer to look at from the side. Alright, so it does have a HDMI, one VGA, one audio, and one for the power. So this is what it actually looked like when I was editing, and it's pretty nice to have this really wide angle, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and bye.